Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Homesteading with Butch. Hope everybody's doing good. Today we got a little short video this morning for you. But before we get in this video, why don't you go down there and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Today, battery. Battery bad on the truck, so we're gonna change it out. Okay, guys, y'all can see. First thing, we're gonna have to take this little crossbar off right here. So, see what size. That's gonna be 10 millimeter. Let's see if we can get it loose. Might have to get a bigger ratchet. Set that to the side. I'll show you something first while I'm changing this thing. If you listen. So it don't know how to start, it's getting bad. So that's what we're gonna do, we're gonna change it. Alright, now I'll take a 7 millimeter. I think 7, nope, not 7. What did I do with my other socket? Right there. It'll be an 8 millimeter. You see these little battery terminals right here, we're going to take them loose. We'll take the positive loose first. I'll try to anyway. And you can see that little positive cable here. A little bit more. Okay, there's positive cable. Let's get this negative. You can see this little cable here. Oh, come on for it, baby. Okay, now we got, I don't know if you can see down in there, there's a bolt down in there holding a bracket on. Hold it. Let's see if I got the right size socket here. Let's try this 14, see if it'll work. Might be too big. Let's go down to a 13, try it. Yeah, that'll work. I'll put that where we don't lose it. don't think this ratchet's very good. Give me a better ratchet. This one will work. Ain't nothing hard to this, guys. It's just a little time consuming. Worst part is probably getting this little keeper off down here. So it'll hold your battery from sliding around. Oh, we're gonna lose our sock. I'm gonna put it over. Yeah, that's how you get your battery loose. So this little keeper I'm talking about, it's strapped down in here. All it does is catch right there on your battery. Alright, let's go back here and see if I can't get a new battery. I bought one the other day on the way to work and I never had a chance to put it in, so we're gonna put it in now. So we're gonna say this is, go ahead and do our date on here. So it's gonna be November. It was 20. Okay. Go put this in here, see if we can't get it in here. A little bit better, now this is better. Alright, we got that. Now let's see if we can get our little keeper in there. I'm probably gonna have to pick it back up. That'll work. Alright, now let's tighten this little keeper up. Alright, that little keeper's on there. Put these things back up so we don't lose them. Let's get my little 8mm right here. Let's get our negative cable started. There's a negative cable. Let's try to get this one. Positive cable. Socket here's about too big. We got an 8mm wrench in here. Should have maybe. Yeah, that's 3/8. I don't know if it's big enough either. Too big. There's 7 or 8. Let's try this little 8mm wrench. See if we can't get it with that. Let's do. Oh yeah, that'll work a little better. It's a little bit wrench, but we'll make it work. Alright, there's that. So let's put all this back up. I gotta put our little brace back on here. This one just like that. Get it back on there. I believe that was this right here, a little 10. We're not going to use that one. That one didn't work too good. Let's use this one right here. Okay, we'll see how she cranks. Oh yeah, like brand new. Okay guys, that's all I got on that little video. It wasn't much. Just getting a new battery on the truck because it wouldn't hardly start. You see, we got it all in there. I say all you have to do is take this bracket off, cross bracket off, undo your positive cable, your negative cable, and then you got a little bracket down there to hold your battery on. Take it out, put your new one in there. Alright, well, ain't much. I hope this helped out a few of y'all. So that's about all I got on this video. I'm gonna wrap it up. We may do a little more later. I just hope y'all have a good day, and as always, we'll see you on the next time, and God bless you. Bye.